Find features that distinguish it from other brands for OOTDAY Robotic Pool Cleaner for in-ground pools, OOTDAY Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Versatile modes for all pools. Capable of cleaning floors and walls, this cordless pool vacuum for in-ground pools runs up to 150 minutes, covering 2,000 square feet. It cleans a 500 square feet pool up to 4 times per charge and handles slopes up to 45 degrees, not for steps and pool floor drain. Powerful suction. Equipped with 7,800 mAh battery, 180 watt brushless motor and 300 micrometer filter. This pool robot can thoroughly and efficiently remove all kinds of debris and trash from the pool surface. Robotic pool cleaner can work for up to 150 minutes on a single charge. This new pool robot is suitable for in-ground pools with an area of 1,614 square meter and a depth of up to 9.8 feet. Smart Pool Robot Vacuum. Cordless robotic pool vacuum is equipped with more than 20 sensors. Utilizing precise positioning and navigation technology, the pool cleaner cleans the pool according to the N-shaped path. And the cleaning efficiency of the pool is increased by 10 times. Self-parking and LED indicator. When the battery is low, the robot pool vacuum for above-ground pools returns to the pool edge for easy retrieval. LED indicators provide real-time status updates, so you always know when it's cleaning or needs attention. Advanced filtration system. The high-capacity filter captures fine particles like sand and dust, reducing the need for frequent emptying. It's easy to remove and wash, keeping maintenance quick and simple. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.